Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be making this simple but beautiful summer dress. It's going to be sleeveless to have a strap. As you can see, our fabric is already in 4 folds. So first things first, we'll go ahead and take the measurement for the length of the gown. So in this case, we are going to be attaching a flare in the down part of the gown. So because of that, the length measurement is 14. The flare will now take the remaining length. And then first things first, to mark out the armhole. Just like I said before, this dress is not going to be needing a sleeve. So we took out 2 inches there, or 2.5 inches, and then 5 inches for the armhole length. And then we go ahead to make the curve, the armhole curve there, just like so. And then we cut it out. And then by the time you're done, you open it up. This is what you're going to have for both sides. So the next thing we're going to be doing is to pipe the armhole. You can use the fabric, but in this case, I decided to use red bias to do that. Go ahead and do that for all of the armhole sides. As you can see, we are done doing that. Yes. So we went on to cut the strap that's going to be representing like our sleeve, And now before we attach that, on the neck part of the dress, that's the upper part of the dress, we're going to fold it in and sew. But then it's going to be having this hole in between such that you'll be able to push in the strap, and then you'll have your like the sleeve representative up on your shoulder. As you can see, we're done sewing. So the next thing, we went on to do that for the both sides of the fabric. Yes, just like that's the back and front. So the next thing we are going to do is to attach this strap to our safety pin and then push it into the hole we created, just like so. The straps are two, one for the back, one for the front. And that's it, that's what we had. So the next thing we are going to be doing is to sew the sides of the dress together. Make sure you place the front sides facing each other, just like so. We'll sew both sides. Now we're done sewing both sides. This is what it looks like, as you can see. And now this is the down part of it. So I went ahead to cut this long straight fabric, and then we'll go ahead to sew it and gather. Yeah, we've gathered it. This is what it looks like. So now that we're done gathering, so I'm going to be attaching it to the down part of the dress, just like so. We'll sew it round. Now we're done sewing. This is what we have, and this is our final result. Yeah, as you can see. Thanks guys for watching. Please remember to subscribe. Bye.